Hello, everybody. Today we are going to learn about prokaryotes versus eukaryotes. All life on Earth is divided into two general categories prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Cell theory. The cell theory states that all living things are made of one or more cells. Cells are the basic unit of structure and functions in the living cell. All cells come from other living cells. Cells without nuclei are called prokaryotes. Organisms whose cells have nuclei are called eukaryotes. There are several differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes, but the most significant structural advantage is the presence of functional organelles in eukaryotes. Now, please look at the picture and identify the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Cell 1 is an eukaryotic cell. It contains nucleus and other organelles. Cell 2 is a prokaryotic cell. It lacks nucleus and other organelles. Prokaryotic cells make up the organisms found in the two kingdoms of life known as bacteria and archaea. These microscopic organisms may be tiny, but their impact on life on Earth is enormous. They are single celled. They lack nucleus. They lack other organelles. They are tiny, still very important. They play a critical role in the recycling of nutrients by decomposing dead organisms and allowing their nutrients to be reused. They are also important for many metabolic processes. Bacteria in our guts and mouth help with the digestion of food by breaking down difficult to digest carbohydrates and other compounds. Although prokaryotes and eukaryotes perform many similar functions, within eukaryotes the processes can be more efficient. That's because the prokaryotes has only one compartment to contain everything, while eukaryote has several different specialized compartments in which the environment can be tailored to perform a function. And these compartments are called organelles. Eukaryotes can be either multicellular or unicellular. They are complex and comparatively larger. Eukaryotes have membrane bound compartments called organelles. These organelles are meant to do specific functions for the cell. These organelles are nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and lysosome. Prokaryotes are the oldest cell types. They are small and simple. They lack nucleus. They lack organelles. They are single celled. Eukaryotes are believed to be evolved from prokaryotes. They are larger and more complex. They contain nucleus. They contain other organelles. They can be either single celled or multicellular. Both eukaryotes and prokaryotes have DNA, ribosomes, cytoplasm, and plasma membrane. Prokaryotes have advantages associated with greater simplicity. They can reproduce rapidly. The substances can easily move around and get secreted out. They require lesser metabolic energy. Scientists love these cells because they are bona fide houses for genetic engineering studies. They also have lots of disadvantages. Their DNA is not protected inside the nucleus, so it can be easily attacked by viruses and other toxins. They do not have vacuoles to store food and toxins separately. This will significantly reduce the lifespan of the cells. They do not have organelles for each specific function. This will reduce the overall efficiency of the cell. Eukaryotic cells has lots of advantages. Their DNA is protected inside the nucleus. They have separate compartments to store food and toxins. They do not mix together. There are organelles for every specific function. This will increase the overall efficiency of the cell. It does not have much disadvantages. Because they are bigger, they will comparatively take longer time to secrete out the substances. Thank you. See you in the next lesson. Bye.